Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss where we can use Python in industry. For example, if we have learned Python and we want to use it in our profession, then we need some motivation first. We want to know that where Python is already used in industry so that we can also choose it as our career. So there are different industries that are available in online world as well as physical world which are using Python as a programming language. For example, first of all, that is Google. As we all know that Google is a powerful search engine that is used for the ranking of websites. We want to visit any website, then Google will help us to find the best website related to a keyword. So Google use Python for website ranking and he uses it for different keywords like he checks the uniqueness of data, he checks the relevancy of data, he also checks the quality of website, speed of website, and then ranks the website on the basis of their different checks. So he uses it in programming language, and that programming language is Python. Next is Dropbox. Dropbox is another memory based platform where you can learn different things. For example, you want to save a data and you have different files, documents, and other important information, and you want to keep it in a backup form and you want to access that data in any part of the world, then you can use Dropbox. For example, a common example of Dropbox is Google Drive. Like Google Drive is also a platform where you can place your all the files and backup of your all important documents. Similarly, memory management purpose for memory management purpose, Python is used by Dropbox industry. Next is Netflix. We all know that Netflix is a big source of entertainment. It also provides us different general knowledge information. So Netflix uses Python for information management and for user management to entertain its users and then provide them what they want. Next is Python is also used by different security agencies of the world in which they can increase the security level of their information by making different algorithms using this language, and these algorithms are used to provide the to increase the confidentiality of data, like they use it to provide encryption and decryption. In this process you can convert your text in another form which is not readable by everyone. Next, Python is also used by BitTorrent for peer-to-peer communication of the clients and users. Similarly, Python is also used by NASA. NASA is the organization which is relevant to satellite. For example, if any country want to launch the satellite, then he needs to get permission from NASA, where they perform different calculations like time of satellite, and they also check the time of satellite and height of satellite as well as different other parameters, and due to these parameters calculation they can also use Python as their programming language. So NASA is another satellite relevant agency and other industry which can use Python for their programming and for calculation purposes, so it is used by this industry. So these industries are using Python as their foremost and primary language, and they use it for their programming and to perform different applications and tasks, and therefore this video has provided us a lot of motivation. Thank you so much. That was all for this video. We will cover next things in next video, and if you have any question then you can ask it, and you can also leave your feedback in comments below.